Well, it's after New Year's. Didn't get to do any videos over Christmas shutdown. We're going to get to that here in a second, but it's a lot of frustration going on. We did do a few things. Let's take a look. So we've got the switch wire, the Enraged Rabbit carrot feeder that we just rebuilt. It's running pretty good. It's printing out a fan for one of my daughter's toys right now. The only issue we're still having is that Mellow SB 2040 with that RP 2040 chip from Raspberry Pi. Man, that thing gets hot and it just shuts down. So, got to figure out some way to deal with that. I've got a bunch of other CAN bus toolhead boards, but I would lose the cool LEDs in the fan if I did that. Then over here we've got the Trident printing out parts for box turtle filament switcher thing, like the AMS from Bamboo. They're shipping from Japan right now, from China, so it's going to be another month or so before we get the kit to do that, but we've got all the parts printing out. We added aluminum AB motor mounts back there from Batali. It kept melting the other mounts. The Rapido 2 hot end, the temperature was way off on that. Did some work to get it so that it would print stuff, but still not completely right. Fadis is sending us some parts to upgrade that to the Rapido 2 Ace. That one, and I've got two other Rapido 2s, so they're sending me parts for all of them. Supposedly, anyway. We'll see. And changed over to the Galileo 2 wristwatch extruder. The Galileo 2 standalone extruder had cracked when I was in there doing all the other work. The X mounts got replaced twice. I tried going to the geared idlers, the tooth idlers, and it just ate through the mounts. But we're back up and going now. Made some adjustments to the amperage and stuff like that, and hopefully that solves some of our issues. But for now, it's printing. Unfortunately, the box turtle I wanted to put on this, we even got it in a space gray frame to go with the gray that's the printed parts on this, because orange frames isn't an option. But I would have to change the tool head to get a filament cutter on there, so for now, not an option. We switched out the Pi 02W that was in the V0 because we kept getting MCU disconnects. Put in a Pi 4B 4 gig. Haven't had any issues since with that, so fingers crossed on that right now, because I've got nothing else to do. Putting clipper on the CR10 just for reasons. We've got this moved over here, made a table for it, and moved that over here, the 2.4. It's going to get the box turtle on it. It's printing out some LED diffusers for the box turtle there. I gotta get some other stuff going. And this is our frustrating part. So, this is a Micron. We were going to do the Doom Cube mods on it, the Doomicron. I ordered the extrusions and panels from DFH on their Cyber Monday kind of blowout sale. They shipped USPS, Postal Service, and normally stuff gets tied up in San Antonio whenever I order from there, so I thought that I had picked a different shipping method other than the post office, but obviously didn't. It said it left San Antonio, said it arrived 24 hours later in Cincinnati's distribution center, which I find weird because it normally takes more than just 24 hours to make it from Texas to Ohio. But never left there. It was supposed to be delivered on the 26th, and I've got no tracking update, filed investigation thing trying to find it, and nothing. So this thing's been sitting without me being able to do anything more than this until I get panels and stuff. And I don't know when, I don't know that I'll ever get them. So I don't know what to do with that. So anyway, that's what we've got going on out here in Dad's garage. I don't really know what to do beyond that. Just tinkering with stuff. Not much else to do.